Today I'm going to show you how to create a software statement on the directory. Firstly, navigate to your organization that you want to create the software statement for, and then scroll down to software statements. In order to create a software statement, you need to be of the organization administrator of the organization, or a domain user, or a super user. So press the new software statement. Firstly, you want to press the mode, which is the operational status of the software statement, the versioning of that software statement, the environment that that software statement is related to, the client name. For this example, we'll be using Radium Dev Demo, the client URI. These all need to be correct URIs, otherwise you will be rejected. So it says an example here where it's telling me it's an invalid URI. The policy URL of the software statement, the logo URI of the software statement, the redirect URIs. The redirect URIs, as it's the registered URLs that the TPP will use to interact with the ASP. If the software statement defines a master set of redirect URIs, this must match or be a subset of the redirect URIs in this SSA. The URI must use the HTTPS schema. The URI must not contain a host with a value of localhost. And if the request URI metadata element is omitted from the request, the extra contents of the redirect URIs element in the SSA, which is what we'll be creating next, are considered to be requested by the TPP. So for my example, I'm just going to use the redirect URI of radium.com/. It's important to note that a software statement can have many redirect URIs, like the example here, and these can be updated by your organization admin or authority domain. The terms of service URI, a brief description about what you want the software statement to be and what it's to do, and then you simply press save. And if I scroll down and move to the new software statement, you can see that we've now successfully created a software statement.